Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the shrink wrap modifier. Okay, so first of all let's add a plane here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit mode and subdivide it, and I'm going to subdivide it to something like this, and later I will click and select all and subdivide it, and again I'll add 3. Okay, so something like this, I create something like this, and what I'm going to do is that I'm selecting some points and pressing shift so I can continue to select them all, and G and Z. Okay, like this I create something like this, and let me create another point and GZ. Okay, like this, and let's create something more. Okay, here, here, here. Okay, sometimes we select this, no problem, like this, or we can create it more, something like this. Okay, we have something like this, and I'm going to add the subdivision surface. Okay, so I'm adding something like this. Okay, and then I'm done. I'm going to add a mesh, a plane, and what I'm going to do is that I'm scaling this, and again I am subdividing this. This time I'm doing this again, I will subdivide it, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to Shrinkwrap modifier, and I'm going to select my target. Okay, I'm going to select my target. This is my target, and you see something like this happened. It's like throwing a paper or a plate of paper, or something like this. Okay, origami. Yeah, now I remembered, like origami. So something like this, so I can create a distance between them, or I can press G and put it down. You see, something like this happened, and G, Z, something like this happened. You see? Yeah, and like this you can create a shape like throwing a paper on something sharp. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you, let me create a material out of it, and you can see the difference. You see, something like this is created, and what I'm going to do is that I'm selecting, I'm going to apply it, or Control A. Okay, I'm applying on G, Y, and I'm going here. Let's see, something like this is created, and what I do is that I can Control 1 for subdivision. Something like this can be achieved. Okay, this is just an easy introduction for you. It's not this modifier is not for like just showing useless stuff. It's useful, but you should know how to use it. Okay, so another thing is that I'm going to bring a sphere. Okay, and then I'm bringing a plane, and G and Z, and what I'm going to do is that scale it, and what I'm going to do is subdivide it, something like this. Yeah, again, and subdivide, and it's okay. And what I'm going to do is again shrink wrap and target, and I'm going to give an offset so it will be it will be seen, and I'm going to make it something like this, and we can scale it from here. You can create something like this. you saw the shown the sheep, the man that he went to the swimming pool, he had something like this in the swimming pool. Isn't it? Maybe you remember, but if not, it's okay. You are okay with it. So something like this, and I can press G so I can do something like this. Okay, and S, and we can change the, what we can change is that wrap method, something like this, nearest vertex, target, normal project, something like this. Or we will go to our nearest surface point, and this is, you can test it out. Okay, so, and what else? You can do something like this, and later apply it and add a subdivision. Okay, something like this, and shade smooth it. Something like this will appear. Okay, I hope this lecture was, or this tutorial was helpful, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.